We're about ready to take off. Here's our team leader. Oh, we're fine.
Time yet? Is snack time yet?
No.
Oh yeah. Grab one.
Team B, we're already walkied up. Don't worry about it.
That's right. Walkied up.
Team B is ready.
Yeah. Alright. Hey, what about the hatchet?
Walk like an Egyptian. The blonde waitresses take their trays, spin around and they cross the floor. They've got the moves. Oh, you drop your drink, then they bring you more. All the school kids so sick of books, they like the punk and the metal band. When the buzzer rings, they're walking like an Egyptian. All the kids in the marketplace say, walk like an Egyptian.
I've been left by my company. It's crazy out here. As you can see, barely any openings, but I found up there's a big opening that I might be able to get to. What I want to do is get through all this, see if I can find a space through all this march. Find my way through all the land.
Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. We got everything you want. How do we dominate? We are the people that can find whatever you may need.
Made it out.
If you got the money, honey, we got your disease. In the jungle. Welcome to the jungle.
Still heading south, southwest, southeast. I gotta open it.
Watch you bleed. Welcome to the jungle. We're taking day by
Towards the beach.
day.
I'm gonna go more southeast.
You're gonna bleed.
It looks like everything's open now. Got a few big trees now. Turning into more forest than more.
You can taste the bright lights, but you won't get them for free. In the jungle, welcome to the jungle. Feel my serpentine. I wanna hear you scream. Welcome to the jungle. It gets worse here every day. Learn to live like an animal in the jungle where we play. If you got a hunger for what you see, you'll take it eventually. You can have anything you want, but you better not take it from me. In the jungle, welcome to the jungle. Watch it bring you to your knees. I'm gonna watch you bleed. When you're high, you never ever wanna come down. So down, so down, so
Tents are up. Tents are up. Some firewood, we still need more. Sleepy's personalized tent. Danny's just standing. Danny's just standing there. Tent is up. don't know what the fuck Isaac wants to do with the fucking.
Sun's out. We going to find some wood.
No, fuckers. I don't know what that is. And this guy's tripping.
That's Jackass right there.
Okay?
That's Jackass right there.
I get it, because he's a horse.
And or donkey.
What up? Yeah, it's coming. Wait, don't put you on
No more of that. No, that's good. It should always be two. Yep. Yeah, exactly. Okay, Gabe.
Sleepy win.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yes!
I told you, Sleepy was getting it done good over here. We just couldn't light it.
do ours. Because they had this.
No, Papa, we'll keep it now. I threw all our Twingo in there so I can.
They cheated with this. Starbucks.
But we won. We won the first game.
Starbucks is my bosses.
But we won first.
Oh, your boss bot.
Alright.
We got fire!
We didn't need to cover it, though. What? No. We got on fire. Fuck.
Doing, Clint.
Trying to take a picture.
Dude, it got dark pretty fast.
Of course.
Ronnie.
It's like 8:30 now. Probably 9.
It's almost 9.
Dang.
Clint is somewhere in the distance.
You see that one looking at you, Clint? That one about to...
All the way over there. Trying to take a picture of horses.
What, Ronnie? Ronnie, go up there. If you go up there and pet one and don't get hit, I'll give you $20 to anyone. Anyone? Yeah. And if you don't get hit, or if you do that and you run away fast enough, I'll give you $20. You pet it.
10:45.
10:45. It's like new.
Isaac has gone.
Oh.
Actually, he went 5 minutes ago. Everybody's still here around the fire. The fire is burning strong.
I mean, a lot of wood left. We're good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what, like 2 hours?
I'll put that big boy in there.
Oh. The Olympics are now horse. It's a new Olympic event. Horse, no jockey.
Beautiful!
Dude, my legs are all fucking wet. So are my shit.
Are you guys, is your tent flooded?
No, motherfucker, it's just fucking wet. Hold on. Wake up, Kenny. You got apples?
I've been awake.
Damn. Did you get breakfast?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
What?
Fucking donuts and shit right here.
That's not a breakfast.
All the old paintings on the tomb, they do the stand dance, don't you know? If they move too quick, they're falling down like a domino. All the buzz are men by the night, they got the money on a bet. Gold crocodiles, they snap their teeth on your cigarette. Foreign types with the hookah pipe say, walk like an Egyptian.
Almost there. Almost there. Man, We made it. We made it. Long live Agrabah.
Screw camping.
On this land we shall make a Sonic and eat at it.
The camp leader. He made it.
Long live
Oh,
the king.
fuck, it's not this
He
one.
made it.
Look,
It's this one. I saw the car. We made it.
look at the beast.
Danny,
beast.
shut up. Come on, Sleepy. We did it.
He's gonna pass out on his fucking board. Whoa.
Isaac, stay behind with Sleepy. Sleepy Hog, the last one to make it. Sleepy Hog. Yeah. So we made it. We did it. We did it.
All that healthy exercise is about to go down the thing.
Now to the Sonic.